water will be here.
Amen.
Everything my mom cook, I will eat.
Amen.
I will eat it.
Amen.
By force.
Amen.
What is funny, Joe?
Sorry. Hi everybody. Hello mummies. Yeah, this one is for mummies, like mummies with toddlers like me. Okay, so today I'm showing you guys how to infuse banana into your kids breakfast. Good thing I have two kids in the house at the moment, my daughter and a cousin, and they both want two different breakfasts, but Timlayo wants pancake. I myself, I would like to have some pancakes, so I have some bananas in the fridge which we have ignored, like nobody wants to eat banana. I myself am not a big fan of bananas, so I'll be showing you guys how you can enjoy your banana in your breakfast. So I'm adding milk to my mashed banana. Okay, I mashed like 4 pieces of bananas and I'm just adding my milk in there. You remember the pancake mix we did the other time? This is the leftover and I'm going to be adding it in that mix as well. I'm using half cup for measurement, so I'm adding 2 of these, making 1 cup. So yeah, that's it. This is half cup and I'm adding the other one. So guys, you know how you don't like, you have kids that don't like chewing banana like me. I grew up not liking banana at all, you get. So it was when I even got pregnant that I found the importance of banana and I learned to eat it. Like, I don't enjoy it, I mostly want it in my smoothie or anything else, but you see, chewing banana is not for me. So guys, now I'm just showing you, if you have a kid like I was when I was growing up, because I do have one. Temilaya eats banana but not as much as you want her to eat it. So I'm adding eggs to that mix, which is the 1 egg. Okay, I'm making 1 cup of pancake mix, and I'm adding water as well. This is just to mix it up and get me the consistency that I want. Okay, you can go ahead and add more water, but you don't want it too runny, you don't want it too thick, you want it just good enough so it can cook properly. So guys, as I was saying, I have 2 kids in the house today. I don't think my guest like understand banana. She's just 3 years old, so I don't know if she understand if she understand pancake, because I mentioned to Timlay, will you like pancake for breakfast? She said yes, and I mentioned to her, do you want pancakes? She said no, I want golden more. So you know, she's a guest, you just have to give them what they want, but then I will still make sure she tastes pancake, just in case she haven't tasted before. She can have the experience and maybe she will end up liking it, and I know she will like this one because it has banana in it. But then I'm going to make 2 different breakfasts this morning, and the both of them are like with banana in it. Okay, I'm making them with banana just to make sure the banana I have is put in good use and the kids have some banana nutrients in their breakfast. Okay, so I'm just doing all of the mixing in the pancake. I'm going to work on the pancake first because the other breakfast I'm making is very simple, it's just like a fast thing. Okay, so I'm just trying to mix this very well and that will be it.
Everything my mom cook, I will eat.
Amen.
I will eat it.
Amen.
By force.
Amen.
What is funny, Joe?
Sorry.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is what we got. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what I served for her, and yeah, you can see for protein I just added some eggs, and you can see how fluffy this looks like. It feels very fluffy because of the old banana. You can see the banana I added was really much, so this tastes really nice. So she wants some syrup in it, and I have this butter flavored syrup. This syrup is not too sweet. I have another syrup that I would have used if it was a normal pancake without bananas, but you can tell that this banana is already sweet enough, so I added this butter flavored syrup, which is just like a butter taste, not too much sweet, not too sweet. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So for the second breakfast, I have 1 banana mashed in there. So I actually mashed just a little banana, a 1 piece. Okay, because I really do not know if she like it, but then she loved it, like she loved it, she wanted more. But because she tasted the pancake and also loved the pancake, she adds some pancake as well. So I'm not making much of this golden more because I know she's going to love the pancake, and she actually did. So in the bowl there was banana. I added golden morn, which was in that bucket over there, and I added some pig 456, which is the one Temlayo takes. And in this cup there I have warm water. I just added that, and I'm just going to keep stirring. Okay guys, the secret of giving your kids golden morn, if you don't want them to have cough, if you don't want them to have runny nose, this is corn and being processed and all that, make sure you stir. Like, make with hot water, okay? Don't use cold water or ordinary water for your kids golden morn. Make with warm hot water, okay? So I'm just stirring to get all of it well mixed, okay? So there are other ways I make golden morn if I'm not using banana. I'll be sharing that in another video, but now we are talking about bananas. So you can see how I've stirred it. Like, you need to stir it very well so all of the corn can be well mixed and you not have any shafts in them, okay? You can see how thick it is, and I'm still going to stir this. And if it's too hot, this is where you can just add a room temperature water or even a cold water to get it mild enough for your kids to enjoy. So this was really nice. She loved it, and that was, as in, like, my goal to introduce new things to her, okay? So you can see how beautiful this looks and yummy as well, okay? So if you'll be trying this for your children, for your kids, for your toddlers, please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, comment, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna